Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 5 parenthesis x minus 4 over 2 and x plus equal to x plus 3. So we solve it. Now we find the value of x. So if we find the value of x, we eliminate the denominator. So if we eliminate the denominator, we multiply both sides by 2 to eliminate the denominator, and we multiply by 2 both sides. So this 2 change to the denominator, change to cancel with the numerator. So they give us 5 and x minus 4 equal to x plus 3 over 2. So now we simplify the equation. So 5 times x, they give us 5x, and 5 times minus 4, they give us minus 20, equal to 2 times x, they give us 2x, and plus 2 times 3, they give us plus 6. So now we distribute the 2x. We want to change this 2x convert to here. So if we distribute 2x both sides, so this 2x plus 2x cancel with minus 2x, so they give us 5x, and we distribute minus 2x, and minus 20 equal to 2x and minus 2x plus 6. We both side distribute 2x. So 5x minus 2x, they give us 3x and minus 20, equal to 2x cancel with plus 2x cancel with minus 2x, so they give us 6. Now we add both sides 20 to find the value of x. So if we both sides add the 20, so they give us 3x minus 20 and plus 20 equal to 6 plus 20. So this 20 cancel with this 20, minus cancel with plus 20. So the equation become 3x equal to 6 plus 20, 26. Now we divide by 3 both sides to find the value of x. So 3 and 3. So this cancel, the denominator cancel with the numerator, and the value of x is 26 divided by 3. So the final answer is 26 divided by 3. Thanks for watching.